The university's Edinburgh campus is set in several hundred acres of parkland to the west of the city. The campus includes about 14 miles of roads and paths, which until recently were lit by 460 high-pressure sodium lamps. The older sodium fittings were effective, but the control gear was ageing, and that itself caused some quite substantial energy losses. We had 150 watts on lamps in the roadway fittings, while paths were lit by 100-watt lamps. The control gear losses meant that the total consumption was probably more like 180 and 120 watts, so we had good scope to improve the efficiency of the lighting.
I'd been monitoring the development of LED street lighting and realised that efficiency, quality and price of luminaires had reached a point where they were likely to make economic sense for the university. Working with a number of possible suppliers, I started to draw up plans based on reusing the existing street lighting columns and brackets. A really important part of the project was making sure that relatively lightweight luminaires were specified that would be comparable with the existing bracketry. Some of the early LED streetlights were very heavy and wouldn't have been supported by the existing brackets, and changing the brackets as well would have been very expensive and made the project's payback unattractive. We produced a short list of luminaires and then installed a sample of these to check the lighting performance to ensure we were meeting Class S3 requirements. The luminaire we selected from the trial allowed us to come down to 42 watts for higher powered lamps for the roads and 31 watts for the pathway lamps. The lamps were ready for installation straight out of the box and were fitted during the summer of 2014. It was a straightforward installation and was completed weeks ahead of schedule and under budget.
The LED streetlights produce a very useful electricity reduction of more than 55 kilowatts, which represents an energy saving of about 75%. The beauty of street lighting projects is that that's over 55 kilowatts that's being saved all night, every night, so the savings are very predictable and essentially guaranteed. We worked with Salix Finance, who supported the project through an interest-free loan under the Salix Energy Efficiency Loan Scheme, with a project payback of under 6 years. Overall, the project has made a very valuable contribution to the university's carbon reduction efforts, saving about 130 tonnes of CO2 a year, and has also left us with a high-quality asset that reduces light pollution and provides good white light across the campus.